If you're passionate about vlogging, travel videos, filmmaking on the go, or just love capturing smooth cinematic footage without the bulk of a large camera, then get ready because the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an exciting upgrade. This incredibly compact handheld camera is already loved by creators worldwide, and now it's getting a fresh round of massive upgrades that could set a new standard for portable content creation. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, including leaked specs, performance boosts, design changes, new video features, slow motion upgrades, autofocus enhancements, and even battery life improvements. We'll also cover the potential release date and pricing information, so stay tuned if you're planning to upgrade or start your vlogging journey soon. DJI's Osmo Pocket line has always been about pocket-sized power, combining the best of stabilized video with a form factor that easily fits into your palm or back pocket. The Osmo Pocket 3 impressed many creators with its performance, especially for solo vloggers and mobile filmmakers. But the upcoming Pocket 4 is rumored to bring game-changing refinements without compromising the beloved compact design. From upgraded visuals to improved ergonomics and smarter performance, DJI seems to be listening closely to what content creators really want. One of the biggest changes expected with the Osmo Pocket 4 is its brand new rotating OLED touchscreen, rumored to be a 2.5-inch display. That's a noticeable jump from the Pocket 3 and a smart move for improving usability. Whether you're shooting yourself in selfie mode or capturing scenery in daylight, this new screen will help immensely with framing and visibility. OLED technology also means richer colors, deeper blacks, and more dynamic contrast, making your previews look sharper and more true to life. And with 480x800 resolution and brightness levels of around 800 nits, creators can count on seeing their footage clearly, even under harsh sunlight. This update is perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, TikTok creators, and travel enthusiasts who need to see what they're filming without relying on a secondary screen or smartphone connection. Although still compact, the Pocket 4 is expected to gain a bit of weight, around 190 grams. That's slightly more than its predecessor, but there's a good reason behind it. Leaks suggest DJI might be using the additional space to enhance the grip with better texture, reworked button placement, and a sturdier body that's easier to hold for longer shoots. These changes may sound minor, but they are a big deal if you're shooting handheld, adjusting angles quickly, or walking while recording. These ergonomic enhancements can significantly reduce hand fatigue during long recording sessions. Now, let's talk camera power. The Osmo Pocket 4 is rumored to feature a 1-inch sensor paired with a 20mm f2.0 lens. This is a massive leap forward in terms of low-light performance, sharpness, and overall dynamic range. This larger sensor will allow more light to enter, resulting in clearer, more detailed images in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you're indoors or filming at dusk, if you're into cinematic night shots or indoor content creation, this is a major win. The ISO range is expected to span 50 or 6400 for video and up to 16,000 for photos, providing flexibility across all kinds of lighting scenarios without excessive grain or noise. One of the standout features in the rumored spec sheet is 10-bit video recording, along with D-Log-M and HDR support. These professional-level features allow creators to capture more color depth and dynamic range, which is fantastic for post-production flexibility. If you're into color grading, cinematic LUTs, or just want your footage to pop, these new features will give you more control than ever. From glowing sunsets to complex lighting indoors, your videos will carry richer tones and smoother gradients. Yes, you heard that right, 4K slow motion at 240 frames per second. That's double the frame rate of the Osmo Pocket 3, opening the door to epic slow motion content. Think about those buttery smooth slow shots of waterfalls, sports, dancing, or action sequences now at ultra-high resolution. Whether you're creating cinematic travel montages or showing off fast-paced action in your fitness or adventure vlogs, this kind of slow-mo performance could make your footage stand out from the crowd. Another expected improvement comes from a more powerful processor, which should speed up everything from startup time and UI responsiveness to real-time image processing. This is especially important for creators who need to shoot quickly and efficiently. Even better, DJI is likely including phase detection autofocus and eye tracking, which will massively improve subject tracking accuracy. If you've struggled with out-of-focus clips while moving or filming people, this upgrade is going to be a lifesaver. And don't forget, if ActiveTrack 7.0 is included, you can expect better subject tracking for pets, athletes, children, and fast-moving scenes. The new model is also expected to bring longer battery life, with rumors pointing to recording times up to 200 minutes. That is over 3 hours of shooting time on a single charge. Additionally, fast charging support could allow the Pocket 4 to go from 0 to 100% in just 25 minutes. Combined with better heat dissipation technology, you'll spend less time worrying about overheating or downtime during long filming sessions. These upgrades are incredibly valuable for creators shooting events, interviews, or extended sequences where endurance is key. Smoother stabilization, mechanical 3-axis, plus enhanced EIS DJI is renowned for its stabilization tech, and the Pocket 4 seems to double down on that strength. We're expecting a refined 3-axis mechanical gimbal, paired with improved electronic image stabilization for ultra-smooth footage. Whether you're walking, running, biking, or capturing handheld B-roll, the combination of mechanical and digital stabilization means buttery smooth clips every time, perfect for vloggers and adventure filmmakers alike. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, industry insiders believe that DJI could launch the Osmo Pocket 4 sometime in Q4 2025, likely in October or November, aligning with DJI's usual fall release window. As for the price, it might fall in the range of $419 to $519 USD, depending on the final specs. That's very competitive when you consider everything packed into this tiny camera, from professional-grade video to advanced stabilization and cutting-edge autofocus. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 looks like it will bring substantial improvements in usability, performance, and visual quality without losing its ultra-compact form factor. For vloggers, travelers, solo content creators, and anyone who wants big power in a small package, this might be one of the best portable cameras of the year.